To all. Dear students, today we are going to see Chapter 16 India, the Land and People, Part 3. The topic which we are going to discuss are the desert and the peninsular plateau. Welcome to desert. What is a desert? Desert is an arid region characterized by extremely high or low temperatures and has scarce vegetation. That means scarce vegetation means there is lack of absence of vegetation. Vegetation means plants. So we will not find enough plants and also animals in desert region. Desert is a barren area of land where little precipitation occurs and consequently living conditions are hostile for plant and animal life. So as we already told, desert is a barren area means like empty place where we find only sand and rocks. So since there is no vegetation, plants are not there, animals also very less like goats, cows and camels only we can find. And there will be so much of hot. So the climate also is not adjustable to the plants and animals. Types of desert. There are two types of desert. The first one is hot desert and second one is cold desert. Hot deserts are found in tropical regions. Tropical regions means like peculiar regions. Example, Sahara Desert. The climate we see from desert place are their short rainy season. Sky is cloudless and clear. So always the sky will be clear and we find very rare rainy season. Days are unbelievable hot. The temperatures during the day may soar as high as 50 degrees Celsius, heating up the sand and the bare rocks, which in turn radiates heat, making everything around hot. That means during the daytime, the heat is like unbelievable. It can make sore in a skin, like 50 °C. For some of them, they may get skin diseases also. Henceforth, the heat makes the sand and rocks very hot. So it radiates, the whole surrounding becomes hot. The desert is a land of extremes, extreme heat and extreme dryness. Sometimes sudden flash floods and cold nights. Because desert are such a harsh environment, desert often names like Death Valley because there are very less plantation, like plants and animals are, and even human beings are also very less compared with plains and mountains. Henceforth it calls Death Valley, the empty quarter. Like this many names are there. Lifestyle of people living in desert. Many people in the desert are nomads. Nomads rear cattle like goats, cows and camels. They keep moving from one place to the another place with their animals in search of food and water for them, because in desert plantation is not there, plants are not there and water also not there, means very less amount of water we find in the desert. So this is the pictures of desert. One more occupation of desert is craftsman. So they make different types of pots, then ornaments, etc., jewels, etc. So they make and they will sell in different parts of the state. Also they grow bajra, wheat, mustard seeds, etc. And some of the industries also like sugar, cement, fertilizers, etc. Mines like lead, zinc, iron, ore means it's like naturally occurring like rocks. From there they get minerals. This occupation that already we have seen. This is the things made by desert people. So already we have discussed about this climate. Once again, the climate in the deserts is extremely hot. The summers are very hot and dry. Sandstorms are common in this season. Water becomes scarce, and in many places there is severe drought. Drought means the place where absence of rain and there is no enough amount of water is known as drought. Most places receive little or no rainfall. The winter days are sunny and cool. At night, because the sand cools down quickly, it becomes bitterly cold. Now we are going to discuss about plateau. Peninsular plateau. This is the image of peninsular plateau. What is peninsular plateau? The body or piece of land enclosed on three sides by water jutting out from a large body of land. So, the south part of India is known as peninsular plateau because it was surrounded by three sides of water. Most of peninsular India is a plateau or tableland. A plateau is an area of high level land. The peninsular plateau lies to the south of the northern plains. It is northwest lies the Aravalli range. Location: the peninsular plateau lies to the south of the northern plains of India. It covers total area of about 60 lakh kilometer. The average height of the plateau is 600 to 900 meter above the sea level. Most of the peninsula rivers flow west to east, indicating its general slope. The Peninsula Plateau is one of the oldest landforms of Earth. The Peninsula Plateau is a tableland composed of the old crystalline. The Peninsula Plateau has two main broad divisions. First one is Central Highlands and next one is Deccan Plateau. Western Ghats. Western Ghats means the hills of western place is known as Western Ghats, and the hills of western place is known as eastern place is known as Eastern Ghats. The Peninsula Plateau is famous for black soil. The Peninsula Plateau is rich in valuable minerals such as manganese, iron, mica, coal, bauxite, gold and copper. So all these things are like a source of this place. The Central Islands. The northern part of peninsula north of the Vindhya is known as Central Highlands. The Central Islands are bounded by Aravalli Range on northwest, Ganga Plains on the north and the Vindhya Range on south. The Central Highlands are wider in west but narrower in the east. The climate of the region varies from semi-arid rain in north to tropical in most of the region with a distinct and dry season. Arid means nothing but little or no rainfall. So, rainfalls during monsoon season from about June to October. March to June can be very dry and hot with temperature exceeding 40 degrees Celsius regularly. The Deccan Plateau is very rich in minerals. Primary minerals, ores, ores means like natural minerals kind of rocks. Found in this region are mica, iron, gold and other metals. All river basins are good for agriculture. The chief crop is cotton. However, sugar cane, rice and other crops also common. The main thing is cotton. Also, they cultivate sugar cane, rice and other crops also. So, this is the image of Western Ghats, the hills of the west part. So this is the Eastern Ghats, the hills of the East place. Life of the people. In some parts of the plateau, there is a shortage of water and the soil is rocky and infertile. So, we cannot cultivate crops. But life in the plateau is easier than life in the desert or mountain region. Because in mountain region and all, constructing railway tracks, industries and all, it's quite difficult, but in plateau it's very easy. The cultivation of cotton is an important occupation here. Deposits of gold and metals have led to the growth of mining and industries. Many dams have been built to provide water power for agriculture and industries. So my dear children, today we have discussed about the desert and the peninsular plateau. So just you read from your book. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.